Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check message requests on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok app. Once you open it, you need to now simply go in the section called inbox. Simply tap on your inbox and there you can find a row or icon telling message requests. So simply tap on it and there you can find messages that have been in your request or your inbox. So these are the messages that are sent by someone who is not known to you or familiar to you or not added in your TikTok account. So if someone sends you a message and you have never talked with them on your TikTok profile, then this message will be in your message request section. So you can simply tap on it and accept it, delete it, or either report this message if it is malicious or something like that. So this is how you can check your message requests on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.